This is page 250, number 36. It's asking to find the inverse function if f of x is equal to 4 minus x over 3x. We find inverse functions by replacing x and y, so if we're going to take this over and make that y is equal to 4 minus x over 3x, then we want to switch x and y. Now let's characterize domain and range of the original function. We know that the domain of this domain would be x cannot be equal to 0, and we know that the domain has to match the range of the other one. And the range of this, well, we can figure out the range once we do the inverse function here. So let's take this, switch x and y. Get x is equal to 4 minus y over 3y. Let's do a cross product. 3xy is equal to 4 minus y. I'm going to add y to both sides, so we get 3xy plus y is equal to 4. Let's factor the y out. So we have 3x plus 1 is equal to 4. And y is equal to 4 over 3x plus 1. The domain of this one is x cannot be equal to negative 1/3. And it's true if we graph them that that's the range of this one. Y cannot be equal to negative 1/3. And the range of this is y cannot be equal to 0. We've now found the inverse function too. We know that f inverse of x is equal to 4 over 3x plus 1. So that's part one of this. Now we have to verify this, and this can be a little bit tricky. These are what we're working with. We want to take them and plug them into each other. Let's start with I'm going to take the f inverse, like this, plug it in. What that means, take the 4 over 3x plus 1 and plug it into the f function. So 4 minus 4 over 3x plus 1 over 3 times 4 over 3x plus 1. Okay, multiplying the numerator and denominator by the LCD. And I apologize for the religion class in the background. We get 4 times 3x plus 1 minus 4 all over 3 times 4 is 12, and then 3x plus 1 could cancel. So we end up with 12x plus 4 minus 4 over 12. That's equal to x. So that passes that check because f inverse of x is equal to x. And that's really what you were trying to check here. You're checking that f inverse of x was equal to the original x. Now let's go the other way. F inverse. Well, that means f inverse of 4 minus x over 3x. Well, f inverse is 4 over 3 times 4 minus x over 3x, then plus 1. Okay, well, we can cancel the 3, so we get 4 over 4 minus x over x plus 1. We still have to do an LCD of x over x. Let's multiply by an x over x. We get 4x over 4 minus x plus x. That simplifies to 4x over 4, or x. So that passes our check. So since it worked both ways, we know that for sure that that's the inverse. So one more time.